Dear students, in this video, I will talk about the various tips or the methods for improving the conversation. By following these simple steps or points, you can improve your conversation, be popular in your conversations, and even benefit from the conversations that you have at your workplace or among your peer group or in your friends, and you can hold a very popular image among them. So, the first point that would help in enhancing your conversation skills is spend unbroken time. By spending the unbroken time, as you can see, we mean a long and continuous conversation helps in knowing the person better. So, if you want to understand the person, because before you have, if not spoken to the person and you want to know what the nature of the person is or what mood the person is currently going through, then you need to spend time with them, and by this you can actually understand their personality, and this will help you in framing or in deciding how you should conversate or talk to them so that they feel good. The second point is listen more than you speak or than you speak up. So, one should always remember that we have two ears and one mouth. They should be used in proportion. So, by this point, what we mean in just that you should always listen more and speak less, because the more you listen, the more you will be able to understand, the more the person in front of you will feel being heard of and being respected by you, and the more you can get the pulse of what the state they are currently in. So you should definitely put more efforts in listening and understanding the person in front of you, rather than always talking how you feel or how you want or how you think the things should be. The third point is ask questions. So, conversations must be enriched with open ended questions. Okay, by open ended questions, we mean that don't always give choices to people, but rather help them to feel free so that they can express their thoughts openly in detail, and just don't throw questions at them by yes, no, or the closed ones in which they don't have more chance of expression. It is better to know in detail about whatever they want to share. Then the fourth point we have is resist the feeling to dominate. This is very much natural, and it is at times very difficult to avoid that. You want yourself to be heard of, you want others to listen to you, and you want to have the upper hand in your conversations or when you're talking to people. So you want that everyone should listen to you, but at the same time you don't want that someone else is talking or speaking more compared to you and you are being given less chance to speak up. But you should control this urge, and you should try to give equal chances or even try to listen more and speak less. So be cheerful and interested in listening to the other person. So if you are listening others with a smile and you are being actually involved and interested in listening to them, then definitely they feel good and you get popular in your talks. Then few more tips that you can use for being good in your conversations is use the right body language. So one should be active in your body language. So by body language we mean the eye contact, the facial expressions, the gestures, the postures. So using all of them in a group or all of them in a coordinated way, you should seem interested and fully involved in listening to the other person in front of you. Then the sixth point that we have is paraphrase the speaker's words. So pay attention to what the speaker is saying. By paraphrasing, we mean that you should understand the thoughts or the underlying idea behind whatever the speaker or whatever the person has spoken to you, and in this way you can be popular in your conversations, and even you can understand the basic idea or the thought or opinion of that individual, whomever or whosoever you're talking to, right? Then what we have is apply the three C's. See, these three C's are very important when you are talking to anyone. They are care, courtesy, and consideration. So the person in front of you should feel cared of, like you actually care about them, and you are actually having empathy to them. You're courteous, that you want to listen to them and you're understanding the situation. And consideration is that, okay, you're considering everything, and you want to do something for them. So the care, courtesy, that is the you attitude, that you are giving them priority, and consideration is feeling yourself in their shoes. This should be felt by the other person, and then they will feel happy about the conversation that they had with you. Then be fluent while speaking. So it is very much important that you express your thoughts with a lot of clarity, and you work on your vocabulary, because when you are good with your vocabulary, then you have ample amount of words to express yourself, and this will definitely help you to improve your conversations. Next we have avoid parallel conversation, follow the sequential sharing. So when the other person is talking to you, then that time you should be silent, or you should listen to them first. Once they complete their stuff, then you should try to talk to them. See, because if the other person is talking and you are also talking at the same time, then neither of you will be able to listen to each other, and this will not help in a fruitful or a good conversation. So it is always better or preferred that you have 1 point from the other person, then 1 point from your end. In this way you can have a lot of information sharing, and also in a sequence that it can be remembered or grasped. So that's all about how you can improve your conversation skills. Thank you.